Greetings to all on our channel. Today we have a new video review and it is not quite standard. Today we will talk about what is the difference between the versions of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, a copy, a good version and a premium version. So, as you can see, there are three phones. This is gold, graphite and purple. And among them there is both a premium version and a good version. We call it the standard version. So, let's just move on to the inspection. We open the color purple. I have already shown everything about this color and this version earlier in our videos. Also, we open the color graphite and see what is the difference between these versions. One version is standard, and the other is premium. So, at first glance, nothing seems to be different, but there is a slight difference in the fonts. Pay attention to which fonts and in the quick action. That is, in my left hand is the premium version, in my right hand is the standard version. So, what I wanted to say about the premium version. It is already fully gaming and a full-fledged smartphone. This version is suitable for such tasks as Messenger, WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram, social networks, VKontakte, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. And if you want to play heavy games and take better pictures, then this is the premium version. The premium version has a 20 megapixel camera, the standard version has a 16 megapixel camera. So, how can you check how they differ from each other? We downloaded the OpenCam app. We go to the OpenCam app. Here we see the frame rate of the video. Next, here we see 120 frames per second. That is, we can record a video without problems. If we increase the frame rate in the standard version, increase the number of frames per second, that is, for example, the video settings. If we increase the frame rate in the standard version, increase the number of frames per second, that is, for example, the video settings. The frame rate in the standard version is calculated at a maximum of 30 frames per second. In the premium version, it supports 120 frames per second, but I recommend everyone to use 6 to 10 frames per second. What else did I want to say about these differences? If you want to quickly distinguish the standard version from the premium version, then this is easy to do. We go to the phone menu. We also see that the screens of the premium version are brighter. The phone number is 112. This is our emergency service. The phone number is 112. This is our emergency service. In the premium version, the screen of the premium version does not work. In the premium version, the screen of the premium version does not work. In the premium version, the screen of the premium version does not work. In the premium version, the screen of the premium version does not work. In the premium version, the screen of the premium version does not work. In the premium version, the screen of the premium version does not work. In the premium version, the screen of the premium version does not work. This is a mini video review of the differences between the premium version and the standard version. This is a mini video review of the differences between the premium version and the standard version. If you like this video review, be sure to put your thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our Telegram channel. Be sure to watch the video review of the premium version. I'll give you a link in the description. Be sure to follow the rest of the links in the description. Telegram, contact, Instagram. See you soon, friends. See you soon, friends. See you soon, friends.